the groundbreaking satellite launch by SpaceX, tracking hypersonic phenomena. SpaceX, the revolutionary pioneer in space technology, is gearing up for a new ambitious mission. Set to launch a series of advanced satellites, SpaceX aims to redefine the boundaries of hypersonic tracking. The satellites, equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, will enable unprecedented observation of high-speed aerial phenomena. SpaceX's role is pivotal, not only as a launch platform, but as the critical link between technology, innovation, and future space exploration. Never before has such a venture been undertaken, highlighting SpaceX's unyielding commitment to exploring the unexplored. Stay tuned, witness history in the making, and join us as we explore the untapped capabilities of hypersonic tracking with SpaceX. SpaceX continues to push the envelope, transforming the face of space exploration and technology, one giant leap at a time.